students, welcome back our mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss how to solve a linear inequality in graphically. Okay, system of inequality in graphical representation. Let us start the exercise 6.2. The first question is x plus y less than 5. In class 10 you studied about how to represent a linear equation in graphically. The same way here, instead of equation, the inequality less than. So first of all, consider x plus y equal to 5. Then when we plot, we want to find points. The linear equation or linear inequality always straight line. When we draw a straight line, we want to at least 2 points. Okay, so here this is x and y. 0, 0. Here the value of x is 0. The y value is 5. And here the y value is 0. The x value is 5. So the points are 0, 5, 5, 0. Okay, then our aim is to plot this point on a 2D plane. Okay. First of all, draw axis. Here, y, x dash, y dash, origin, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first point is 0, 5. Here is the position 0, 5 and 5, 0. This is 5, 0 and join. When we join, before joining this is which inequality is this? This is strict inequality. That means not including 5. So the line should be the dotted. Draw the dotted lines. Here the equation is x plus y less than 5. Here the inequality x plus y less than 5. Then we want to find the solution. Our question is solve or the region, feasible region, solution. Okay, here the inequality is x plus y less than 5. Here, this is 2 parts. This line segment, this line divided 2 parts. This is upper part and this is lower part. Okay, here the lower part consists this point 0, 0 origin. So substitute instead of x and y as 0 and 0. This is 0 plus 0 less than 5. That means 0 less than 5. Yes, the statement is true. 0 is always less than 0 less than 5. Okay, so our region is including this vertex. So this is our region. The solution is this shaded region. That means the maximum value of x and y is here or 5. X plus 5. The maximum value of x plus y is 5. All the values less than 5. Okay, so first of all draw a linear graph that should be a straight line. Then it is strict inequality, use dotted line. If it is slack inequality, you can draw the line. Okay, straight line. Then the next step is find the solution, the region. So substitute this x and y as 0. So 0, hide this 0 less than 5. The statement is true. So the region is included. This is the region. Okay. Okay, the next question. Here the second question. 2x plus y greater than or equal 6. First of all, the first step is find the point x and y. It is linear inequality, first degree inequality. Linear inequality should be a straight line. So here 2x plus y equal to take it is equal to 6. X, Y. Here x is 0, y value is 6. Then y is 0, 2x equal to 6. X is 3. 6 divided by 2, 3. Here the point 0, 6 and 3, 0. Then draw the axis. Mark x, x dash, y, y dash, origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should use graph paper. Okay. Here the first one 0, 6. This is 0, 6 and 3, 0. Here is 3, 0. Join. This is slack inequality, so you can draw the straight line. Arrow mark either end. Then write the inequality 2x plus y greater than or equal 6. Then our aim is to find the region. Here the 0, 0. This is x and y and 0. 0 greater than or equal 6. Is 0 is greater than or equal 6? No, false. This statement is false. So the region is not included. This is the region. Okay, clear? When you find the region, first of all, substitute x and y, x value and y value as origin 0, 0. Here x is 0 plus y is 0, 0. 0 greater than 6. 0 is greater than 6. Never. That statement is false. So, not included the verb. Our region is not included. If it is slack inequality, you can draw the straight line. If it is strict inequality, use the dotted line. Okay, clear? One more question. Here the question is 3x plus 4y less than or equal 12. Okay, first of all write 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Then find at least 2 points. You can find more than points. But when we draw a straight line, we want to at least 2 points. Here x is 0 and y is 0. Here x is 0, 4y equal to 12. Y equal 3. 12 by 3 is 12 by 4 is 3. Then y is 0, 3x equal to 12. X equal 4. So the points 0, 3, 4, 0. Okay, 0, 3 and 4, 0. Then draw. X, Y, X dash, use the capital letters, Y dash, origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first one 0, 3, this is 0, 3 and 4, 0. Here is 4, 0. This is slack inequality equal. So, you can draw the straight line. If it is strict inequality, use dotted line. Okay. Then 3x plus 4y less than or equal to represent this line. Then find the region. Okay, here substitute this 0, 0, x is 0 and y is 0. 0 less than or equal 12. Yes, 0 is less than or equal 12. The statement is true. Okay, so our region is including, this statement is true. That means x and y have the values 0 and 0. Okay, so region is including this. Okay, this is the answer. Then A few questions more in exercise 6.2, that is your homework. Then we can move to the exercise 6.3. Okay, 6.3. Exercise 6.3. Solve the following system of inequalities graphically. Here, system of inequalities, plural form. So, a question consists more than inequalities. Okay. First question. X greater than or equal 3. Y greater than or equal 2. Okay. So, the first one, first of all, draw the axis. X, X dash, Y, Y dash, origin. Here, 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. X equal to 3. That means here x equal to 3. The graph it is slack inequality. So, you can draw the line. This is when x equal to 3, that line parallel to y axis. X greater than or equal to 3. Then to find the region, here 0 greater than or equal to 3. Is 0 is greater than or equal to 3? 0 is in the represent the origin. Okay, is 0 is greater than or equal to 3? No. False. So the region, this is the region. Okay. Then the second one is y greater than or equal to 2. Yes, y equal to 2. First of all, draw y equal to 2. This is y greater than or equal to 2. Then substitute 0 greater than or equal, y value is 0, 0 greater than or equal to 2. Is it? No, false. This is the region. Okay, yes. Here the both region coincide. This part and this part. Here the both regions coincide in this position. This is the solution. Okay. This region is our solution. Okay. When we solve the system of inequalities graphically, draw each inequalities in the same plane. The common point of the region is solution. Clear? Okay. Second question. 3x plus 2y less than or equal 12. And x greater than or equal to 1 and y greater than or equal to 2. Here 3 inequalities. First of all, find the points on the first inequality. This is 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. So, write equal to 12. Then x, y, x is 0 and y is 0. Here x is 0, x 0. Y value is 6, y is 0, x value is, okay, then draw x, y, x dash, y dash, or origin 0, 1, 2. 5, 6, okay, etc. Here the first point, this is 0, 6 and 4, 0. 0, 6 is here, 0, 6 and 4, 0. This is 4, 0. Join, this is slack inequality. So, three x plus 2y less than or equal 12. Then the next one, x, where is x equal to 0? X equal to 0 is here. X equal 1, here x equal to 1. Slack inequality, x greater than or equal 1. This is 0 less than or equal 12. Yes, true. The statement is true. 0 is less than or equal 1. So, okay. Then, the next one is x greater than or equal 1. Here 0 greater than or equal 1. Is 0 is greater than? False. Not including the. Okay. Then y equal to 2. Y equal to 2 is parallel to x axis. This one. Y equal to y greater than or equal to 2. This line. And the region, if y 0 greater than or equal to 2 is including 0. 0 greater than or equal to 2. False. The statement is found. So, not including this 2. Upper region. Okay. Here the coinciding the region, that means the blacking, greening and redding. Where it make the 3? Here this region. Only this region is our solution. Clear? This is our solution. Our region is only this triangle. Okay. First of all, draw 3 inequalities in a single 2D plane. Then substitute origin. Instead of x and y is 0, 0. Then the statement is true including the origin. Or the statement is false excluding the next part. Okay. Then the coinciding area is the solution of the required graph. Clear? Okay, the next question. Here 2x plus y greater than or equal 6. 3x plus 4y less than or equal 12. First of all, find the points. 2x plus y equal to 6. X, y, x is 0, y is 0, y equal 6, this 0, y equal 3. The next one, 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. X, y, x 0, y 0, x 0, y value is 3, y is 0, x 4. At the point 0, 6, 3, 0 here, 0, 3, 4, 0. Okay, here. X, y, x dash, y dash, origin. Then first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 6. This is 0, 6 and 3, 0. 3, 0. Join 0, 6 and 3, 0. Slack inequality, you can draw the line. Okay. 2x plus y greater than or equal 6. When we substitute this as 0, 0 greater than or equal 6. Isn't it? No, false. So the region excluding the then the next one 0, 3. This is 0, 3, 4, 0. This is 4, 0. Here is 4, 0. Join 0, 3 and 4, 0. Here 3x plus 4y less than or equal 12. Okay, 0 less than or equal 12. This is 0, this is 0, 0 less than or equal 12. Yes, yes, 0 is less than or equal 12. Okay, so including the, that means, okay, so our required region is, the coinciding region is where? This point. This is the region. Okay, this shaded region is our solution. Okay, solve. Here the solution is this region. Okay, clear? One more question. Here the question, 3x plus 4y less than or equal 60, 3x plus y less than or equal 30, x greater than 0, y greater than 0. X greater than 0 and y greater than 0 represent the first quadrant. Okay, x greater than 0 and the y greater than 0 is the important for the next year, that represent the first quadrant. Okay, so here 3x plus 4y less than or equal 60 or equal to 60 xy. This is 0. How many? 15. This is 0. 20. 0.015 20 0. Then second one, x plus 3y less than, instead of less than, equal to 30. xy. X is 0, 10. Y is 0, 30. Okay. Then draw the planes, xy plane. X, y, x dash, y dash. Okay, here this is 15 and 20. So I took here 5 as unit. 5, 10, 15, 20. The maximum is 30. 20, 25, 30, 35. Here is also 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, etc. Here the first is 0, 15. Here is 0, 15. Then 20, 0. This is 20, 0. Here slack inequality, draw. Okay, draw the line. And here represent the line as 3x plus 4y less than or equal 60. Then 0, here 0 less than or equal 60. 0 is less than or equal 60, yes. Okay, so the region represent the, here the condition is in the first quadrant, only the first quadrant. So no need to shade here, only the first quadrant. Up to this, only need to up to this. Okay, then second one is the point 0, 10, 30, 0. Okay, 0, 10 is here. 0, 10. 30, 0. This is 30, 0. Here. Here the inequality represent 3x plus 3y less than or equal 30, and this is 0 less than or equal to 30. Yes. Okay. So this is the line up to this, only for the first quadrant. Okay, the solution is the feasible region or the solution. Solution is, here is the solution. Okay, x greater than 0 is upward direction and y greater than 0 here. Here x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0 represent the first quadrant, and here 0 including x this side, and this also when we substitute the value of x and y as 0, The statement is true. So here the region in the first quadrant. This is the solution. Okay, clear? I think it is clear to all. Dear students, please watch at least 3 times. Okay? If you feel any difficulties, please call me. I will help you. Thank you.